How to change default keyboard on Android. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to replace the boring default keyboard on your Android device? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to change the default keyboard on Android. Open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search bar. As you can see, I am using this default on-screen keyboard. Let's change it. Search for the keyboard app of your choice. For this demonstration, I will install Microsoft Swift Key. Tap on the first search result for Microsoft Swift Key. Tap Install. Once downloaded, return to the home screen. Open Settings, scroll down to the end, select Additional Settings, then Language and Input. Under Input Methods, select Manage Keyboards. Make sure the newly installed keyboard, that is Microsoft Swift Key keyboard, is turned on. If not, tap on it and confirm the pop-up by tapping OK. Similarly, turn on your newly installed keyboard if different. Once your preferred keyboard is turned on, tap back arrow at the top left corner. Under Input Methods, tap on Current Keyboard. A drop-down will appear. Select your preferred keyboard. In my case, it's Microsoft Swift Key. Similarly, select yours. Once selected, you are all set to experience new keyboard. Come back to the home screen. Open any messaging or typing app where the keyboard is necessary. For example, let's open up Messenger. Select a conversation. Tap on the message box to start typing. As you can see, the default keyboard has been changed to Microsoft Swift Key keyboard. And there you have it. You have successfully learned the way to change the default keyboard on your Android device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.